Welcome back, you guys. I am so excited to be doing this dining room tablescape video, and so much so, y'all see I put some clothes on for you guys because I'm telling you, my dining room is absolutely too beautiful to be doing a video in a t-shirt or an apron. So I took my ponytail holder out and took my t-shirt and apron off. I said, okay, we'll dress up a little bit for the peoples, for the video, at least from the waist up, okay? But the table is already set, so I'm not going to take everything off and then have to put it back on. But we're going to talk about certain things on the table, and then I'm going to share with you if I purchased something new, if there were some things that I already had, my thought process as it pertains to, you know, me setting this dining room table. Now, I do have a few tablescapes on my channel, but this one is by far my most favorite. Now, if you watched our Christmas tree or Christmas decorations video, I think that's what it was called, I showed you some of these things that I'm going to share again today. One of which is my dinnerware set. Now, you guys, my husband loves for the table to be set. I don't particularly care for it because to me it's too much work to keep it clean. So I decided I would set it for Christmas. And I purchased this time and table dinnerware set. Is for a service for 4. Now, our dining room table seats 6. But what I decided to do, especially with me having the tree right here, I really couldn't have the dining room, a chair. Couldn't have a chair here. So I moved the captain seats to the corners of the room, okay? So I just got the table set, the dinnerware set for 4. And you guys, it is so pretty. So it came with 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 bowls. So this is the dinner plate. This is the dinner plate. I think it's so pretty. This is the salad plate. And this is the bowls, okay? Now it has that little gold. Can you see the little gold around the rim? I don't know if that's showing or not. But to me, it is absolutely beautiful. And then Time and Table also has this print here, and this reminds me of Mackenzie's Child brand. But I didn't want to purchase it in this because it was just a little too busy for me. So I'm going to accent it with this salad plate, okay? So I had to purchase 4 of these separately, again, from Walmart. Now, in addition to that, let me stick with Walmart while I'm at Walmart. I purchased this little accent gift box. It has music notes on it, staff, all that good stuff, because I love music. So I just thought it was a nice little whimsical touch. I think it was like $2.98. Is that everything from Walmart? I think. No, not quite. And then I purchased 2 of these pillows from Walmart as well. I think they were $12.98 maybe. And I'm going to sit those in the 2 captain chairs that I sit in the corner. All right, next let's talk about my stemware. You guys, this is absolutely beautiful. It has the twisted stem, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I purchased 6 of these from one of my local consignment shops. You guys, when it first came in, there were 6 for $45, but then you know how they start marking stuff down after a certain date. By the time I got to these, they were marked down to $9. So I got 6 of these beautiful wine glasses for $9. They are absolutely beautiful too. Okay. And then I have this reindeer here. And this reindeer and the little sleigh, I purchased it. It's been several years ago. And if I'm not mistaken, I purchased those from the Goodwill. If I remember correctly, I purchased those from the Goodwill. Next, we talked about the garland here. Now this garland, I purchased 2 of the garlands, and they're both supposed to be pre-lit. The lights are not working on one of them, but it still works. I said I may take it back after the holiday, Christmas holiday, because I need it. And when I went back to exchange it, they didn't have any more. So this beautiful garland, I purchased it from Marshall's. And then we have this beautiful table runner. It too was purchased at Marshall's. And now that we're talking about the table runner, if you guys will look at these napkins here. Now these napkins I've had for years, and they go so well with the table runner. And then we have the little accent around the napkins, and those, I think I had a subscription with Nikki from At Home with Nikki, and these little accent rhinestone napkin rings came in one of my subscriptions, and this is the first time I'm using them. Okay, but the napkins are so pretty. When I tell you, they go perfectly with the table runner. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then from the dollar store, I purchased these several years ago, these chargers, and I just thought they would go great with what I'm trying to pull together. As you see, they are from the Dollar Tree. I also forgot too, another thing that I purchased from Marshall's were these candles, and you can see that it looks like it's snow at the bottom, and the little details that's on the Christmas tree candles. I'm not going to burn them, but I was looking for something to go. I wanted some height on my table, and what I ended up pulling out was my candle lobbers. You guys may have already seen these. I did a video where I put these together, and it was one of my earlier videos. I will link that video here. Okay, but I used some, I think I used, was it E6000, because I think I did this maybe in 2016. And right here you see it's only 2 of them that are glued together, but it was 3 sizes like this. So this was the smallest one, and then this one I think was the next size. I think these 2 are the same size, but then there was another one that was a little taller than this. So I wanted something with some height on my table. So I had these just sitting in the dining room on the floor out of the way once we were decorating in the living room, putting the Christmas tree up. And then I thought, wow, that would be really pretty for some height on the table, but I needed something to top it off. And that's when I saw these, and I thought, you know what? I think that's gonna look really pretty. So again, Marshall's, and I got 3 of these. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it for the table. Any of the it's a few little Christmas bulbs that I have here, Christmas ornaments. I already had these. Just put them on there to accent the table, and I think that's it. Now again, and me talking about, my husband absolutely loves for the dining room table to be set. I don't know if I'm going to totally set the table, but we picked this up several years ago. Again, I love the consignment shop, and my husband saw this, and he was adamant about getting it, and it's absolutely beautiful. But I don't know if I'm going to you know, put all of this on the table. Now once he sees the table, he may decide that he wants to do that, but it's so pretty. But yeah, it's just more to keep clean. But we'll see. If he really insists on it being on the table, then we will add that to the table. So right now I don't plan on putting it on there, but he may decide he wants it on, and then we'll put it on later. But for right now, for this video, they won't be on the table. Okay, so I think that's everything. Didn't want to make this video too long, but now we're going to show you guys exactly what the table looks like, and I'm just making sure I'm not forgetting anything. I almost forgot this beautiful wreath too that I purchased from Walmart, and I thought it was perfect. It went so well with my color scheme, and then the garland that I purchased from Marshall's. So again, I just thought it was perfect. And it also went well with the chargers here that I'll be using. I also wanted to mention that when you see my tablescape with my salad plates, you're going to see that I'm going to have 2 of them stacked. Now, the main reason I'm doing that, it just keeps me from having to, you know, put one of the saucers back in the box, you know, because I really wanted to use this one. But it keeps me from having to put this salad plate back in the box. So I just decided that I would stack them. So you're going to probably notice that I'll have 2 stacked on top of each other in my reveal. I think that's everything. I was trying not to hold you guys too long, but I certainly appreciate you all and all of your support. I think that's it, you guys. I'm getting ready to go put my t-shirt back on. But thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time, and I certainly hope you enjoy my beautiful tablescape as much as I do. Bye.